Hi guys, welcome to another Python tutorial here on it.tutorials. I am Josef Botnar. I invite you to another Python tutorial here on it.tutorials. This tutorial has the goal to make a challenge. The main goal of this challenge is to make an app which will swap the values between two variables. So how we can swap the values of two variables. In order to do so, let's make an example. In this way, you will understand better how you can swap the values between two variables. Therefore, I'm going to declare a variable, which is going to be assigned by a value from keyboard, because I'm using this input function. Yeah, I'm going to write here a equal, and from keyboard I'm going to type the value for this variable a. I'm going to do the same thing for the b variable. Here you go. Now, again, how we can swap the values of these variables, and the values of these two variables will be typed from the keyboard. In order to do so, we need a third variable. We need an intermediate variable. This could be, for example, a C variable, which will take over the value from a variable. In other words, the C variable will be assigned with the value of a variable in this way. Now, I'm able to assign the value of b variable to a variable, yeah, as I do now, as you can see on the screen. And the b variable, in this way, using a intermediate variable c, can take over the value from the c variable, which was assigned here on the for line of this code with the value of this variable a. In this way, as you can see on these three lines of code, you can swap the values of two variables. Now we have to display to the console the result to visualize that the value of these two variables was swapped. Therefore, we have to use the print function, and let's write the text to the console. Yeah, values of variables a and b swapped. Yeah, okay, and again print function, and here I'm going to write a equal comma, and this is the a variable. So on this line, the print function will display the new value swapped of a variable, and the same thing we can do for a b variable. Here you go. Let's run this up, and let's see how we can swap the values between two variables. And now here it's displayed in console the a. Yeah, actually it's this text inside this input function, and now I'm going to type the value for a variable. So let it be 5. Enter. The same for a b variable, 4, and enter. And here, down here, you have the values of variables a and b swapped. So now variable a has the value 4, which was before the value of b variable, as you can see, and the b variable store the value 5, which was assigned before to a variable. So that's all for today. In this way, you can swap the values between two variables using a intermediate variable which will take the value of one of those two variables. You can stop my video and you can make this challenge on your own, and after you can check your solution with mine. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.